Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this face, you are highly welcome. My name is Rachael. So today I will be sharing with you guys how I pre-put my hair this week with okra gel. You already see the thumbnails and know what this video is all about. Well, I've done okra before in some of my videos, how to make okra gel and how to use it on your hair. I will leave the video up here. I will also leave it in the description box so you can go and check it out. As you guys know, I preached a lot of pre-pooing your hair, that you should not skip pre-poo on your hair because pre-poo really helps to make your wash day easier. Like person like me, if I don't pre-poo my hair, my wash day is almost impossible because my hair is very kinky and tight, and I have a high density, and my hair is very thick, though I have fine strand. So I want to be very gentle with my hair, and I have to pre-poo my hair. Without that, I can't wash my hair because it is almost impossible. So I want you guys to really take the advantage to start using this on your hair because it does help. Okra is very rich in vitamin A, C, K. It has potassium, calcium. It also helps to get rid of dandruff. It moisturizes your hair. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. You can use it as a styling gel, and you can also use it to prepare your hair, which is absolutely amazing. Okra is also beneficial for our body. So we are not going to use the particular okra. We're going to extract the gel, which is the juice out of the okra. So we've been using the gel to pre-poo our hair. And after you pre-poo your hair, you're going to leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes or more if you want. Then you will go and shampoo your hair, and you will see how your hair really feel like. I've done this a couple times. I really love okra, and I love the way it left my hair afterward, and the result, how my hair feels. It really makes my hair feel so soft. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into this video. One thing more, okra has a slippery texture. It looks like a bit abono, but I think okra is thicker than abono, but it looks similar. Okay, so if you have tried abono in your hair, I am sure you will also like okra gel. Okay, so this is how my hair look like. It is very dry, frizzy, and it is a total mess because I haven't washed my hair for the past 3 weeks. Yeah, so imagine me washing my hair without pre-pooing it. Is almost impossible. So you want to put your hair into sessions. I always walk my hair in session. Okay, so this is how the okra look like. I have boiled it and I've strained it and put it into my bottle. How to make okra gel will be down below. You have to swap up to watch the video. I didn't include it in this video because I've already done it, so I don't want to waste your time filming that again. So I will go ahead and start applying. So what I did when I was parting my hair, I've already sprayed my hair with water to make it easier for me to part. Okay, so I will just go ahead and start applying the okra to my hair, and you will see how the okra is working in my hair and how it left my hair really soft. Before you start applying the okra, please do make sure to put some apron or a towel in your neck because this is really messy. This is messy. You will see what I mean after. Yeah, so you want to put something in your neck, please, and just go ahead, start applying, and you will start using your finger to detangle your hair. If you want to use a comb, I advise you use a white tooth comb. I do use a comb, but I finger detangle first before using a comb, and I use a wood comb. I got this comb recently. I am really loving it because it is very, very good on your hair, and it doesn't like break your hair like the plastic combs. But I have plastic comb. A white tooth comb also is a plastic white tooth comb. It does work amazing, but at the moment I am really loving this wood comb. I got it from Amazon, so I will just leave the picture behind for you guys to see if you guys would like to try it out. So that is how my hair feel like. So I just went ahead to like prepare my and the rest of my hair out of camera, but I left one so to come back and show you how I have gone. Yeah, it takes a lot of time. You want to be really patient with your hair. This is what I said, that it is really, really messy. Yeah, it is messy, but worth it after, because it will make your hair feel so good, soft, and easier and manageable for you on your wash day. Okay, like where I live, I can't get abono, so I think I'm just gonna use okra to replace it, because it looks similar as I said at the beginning, and it's really nice. I really love how okra left my hair, and the benefit that it also applies to my hair. I do love it too. Please be very gentle with your hair when you are prepooing. You have to be very gentle and patient with your hair, because fussy hair is very fragile, so you want to be very, very gentle and careful. So this is the last part of my prepoo. So I'm just gonna show you guys, and you will see. After I applied, I finger detangle, and I will start using my comb to comb my hair. But when using comb, please always start from the tip, which is the ends of your hair. You will comb from the ends to the roots. Don't comb your hair from the root to the end, please. This is what came out from the previous hair I combed, and this is the hair that came out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start combing that from the ends to the root. So after I finish preparing my hair, I think I wait more than 45 minutes. Then I went to shampoo my hair. I deep conditioner, and I added all my treatment. Then I rinsed my deep conditioner out, and I style my hair, which a video is coming up, guys. Do stay tuned for the video that is coming up. So yeah, so there is a little particles on my hair from the shebe. That is totally fine, that will go away. There is no problem in that at all. So guys, this is it. Do stay tuned for my next video coming up. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon, guys. Love you all. Bye.